This is not a plain people store. Every time I think I would find something I really liked, I would look around and there, boom. So if you're looking for something just like a simple white color, you're not gonna find that here unless you get it custom made. That's probably the most plain thing they have, and it's still very shiny. Basically, this is what I like. Yeah. See how it has like the rounded wood? And it's, I think they want $800 for it. And I'm like so tempted to just get it for the bedroom. Something to put the TV on. So this is the couch that I almost bought. It's $1,500. It's basically like a CB2 version, so it's small, 2-seater.
Hey guys!
Yeah. A second option was this one, even though it's way too big for my apartment. It's a velvet and it's really low to the ground. Here's the other one. It's the longer version, I guess. And I think that one's like $3,000 or so. Uh-oh. So this is the cloud version that they have. It's really comfortable. This one was $18.99. Guys, this is a Texas king bed. It's humongous. Wow. The frame is $1,099. Just the frame. Whew. Literally nobody parks in the parking lot over here. I'm in River Oaks because you gotta pay to park. I don't even know if it's that expensive. I haven't parked here in like 10 years. There's a construction guys up there. Oh my gosh, I haven't vlogged out in the open besides in my car in a long time. So I hope y'all can hear me and I hope that the wind isn't really bad. Oh, okay, that wasn't far at all. It's right here. $300 for this? Oh my gosh. You would think it was CB2 or something. Okay, this is $349. This one is a little bit more reasonable for a dresser. Oh, but see, $179. Okay, $129. Okay, that's kind of like IKEA. Only it's definitely like more like cheaper than IKEA. This one is $800. You could go to CB2 and get something like this. This one is $1,500, and it's like cheap particle board. Like, how do I explain it? See? Oh my gosh, it is so, everything here is so cheap. Like, oh no. Cutie, what are you getting so excited about? $749. $200 for this? That should be $80. Oh my goodness. And then, okay, let me show y'all. These chairs, you can get these at Ross for $60 and TJ Maxx. These are $129 for one of those. You can literally go on Wayfair and get those chairs for like $250. And like, so it's great. What the heck? That dirty mattress is $2,300. Now Stearns and Foster, those are good mattresses, but still, everything is like really dirty and expensive. This bed is no way. Well, it's $850, but still, it's like really dirty. I found this bookcase that oh my goodness. I think, let's see, how much is this? $40. Oh my gosh. Oh no. That should be $10. Baby? Okay. Thank you, sweetheart. Yeah, these little chairs are, they were $150, now they're $130. So this bookcase is $600. Like, and it's like so wobbly. Like, it's like cheap particle wood, and I guess this is like metal or something. I don't know. This is $450. Oh my god, this is $300. Okay, Ashley Furniture, y'all gotta like step it up. Hey, baby. She would never.